Alright, we're going to cook some jambalaya. Got papals. Basically, it has a bag. I poured the bag of rice and spices in here. It wants 2 cups of water and 1 pound of sausage. Alright, first thing we're going to do is make sure our ring is all the way down. Then we'll pour the rice and spices in. Then put the sausage in. And then 2 cups of water. Alright. Now I'm going to make sure that all the meat is down there below the water if I can, and all the rice is down in there. Looks like we'll be alright. Now we're going to put the lid on. And then we're going to put it up to sealing. That's venting, sealing. Alright, now we have all these selections here, but we're going to choose rice. It's going to do for 12 minutes. And that's it. The next thing it's going to say is auto. It's going to take a little bit of time for the pot to heat up, so I'm going to guess about 5 minutes for it to heat up. So if you watch that, that is when that little thing comes up to the top, then it's going to start to pressurize. It's trying. It's now pressurized. Now it will count down from 12. Alright, it is just finished. As you can see here, it's going to start counting up the longer you leave it. The keep warm light is on. And now we're going to release the steam. You'll see the peg drop here in just a second. Right there. Okay. Now we can open it. Looks pretty good in here. So we'll stir it up. All the rice looks good. And okay. And there's the final product. Beautiful. Nice. Thanks for watching.